Welcome to English Storycraft.
The New Neighbor. One sunny morning, in a small, quiet village, Emma was playing in her front yard. She loved to play with her red ball and run around with her little dog, Max. The sun was warm, and the flowers in the garden were blooming. It was a perfect day. While Emma was playing, she noticed something new. A big yellow moving truck stopped in front of the house next door. The house had been empty for a long time, and now someone was finally moving in. Emma felt curious. She wondered who the new neighbors were. A few minutes later, a car stopped behind the truck. A family got out of the car. There was a tall man with brown hair, a woman with curly blonde hair, and a little girl about Emma's age. The girl had a bright pink dress and carried a teddy bear in her arms. Emma watched them from her yard. The little girl saw Emma and smiled. Emma smiled back and waved. The girl waved too. Emma felt happy. Maybe this new girl could be her friend. Later that afternoon, Emma's mother came outside. She saw the new neighbors and said,
"Emma, why don't we go and say hello? It's nice to welcome new people."
Emma was a little shy, but she nodded. She wanted to meet the new girl. So, Emma and her mother walked to the new neighbor's house. The tall man was carrying boxes from the truck, and the woman was helping him.
"Hello!"
Emma's mother called out.
"Welcome to the neighborhood. We are your neighbors from next door."
The man put down the box and smiled.
Hello. Thank you. I'm John, and this is my wife Sarah, and our daughter Lucy.
Emma's mother smiled back.
"Nice to meet you. I'm Jane, and this is my daughter Emma."
Lucy, the little girl, looked at Emma.
"Hi, Emma,"
she said softly.
"Do you want to play with me?"
Emma's eyes lit up.
"Yes, I would love to,"
she said. The two girls ran to Emma's yard and started to play with the red ball. They laughed and chased each other around. Max, the little dog, joined them, barking happily. They played for a long time, forgetting about everything else. After a while, Lucy asked,
"Do you want to see my teddy bear? His name is Mr. Fluffy."
Emma smiled.
"Sure. I can show you my doll Betty. She's my favorite."
The girls shared their toys and told each other stories about their dolls and teddy bears. They were having so much fun that they didn't notice the time passing. As the sun began to set, Emma's mother called her.
Emma, it's time to come inside. We have to eat dinner.
Emma and Lucy were sad to stop playing, but they knew they could play again tomorrow.
I'm glad you moved here, Lucy,
Emma said.
Me too,
Lucy replied.
I'm happy to have a new friend.
From that day on, Emma and Lucy played together every day. They became best friends. The new neighbor wasn't just a neighbor anymore. She was Emma's new best friend. And every time they played, they made new happy memories. The small, quiet village now felt even more special to Emma because she had a friend to share it with. And so, Emma and Lucy's friendship grew, making the village a little brighter and their days much more fun.